welcome to the new calculator. I'm just going to show you how to put it into statistics mode and enter some simple statistics data and get some simple information from it. So if you go mode 2 for stats, number 1 is for one variable, so single data. So that's the one we're using. So I have to put them in a list. So I'm going to use this data here, 21 equals 22 equals 25 equals 26 equals 26 again, 27, 29, 30, 30, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35. Now it says that there's 14 scores. So I need to count to make sure there's 14, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Great. All right, I have to clear the screen to go into the statistics mode. So I just went on again, and I went second function 1 brings up all the statistics I need. So if I go 2, I can see the data again. Second function 1, second function 1. If I want to know about the maximum and minimum, I can go 5. And this is why we bought this new calculator, because not only does it have the maximum score, press 2 equals 35, it also has the minimum score, which we would expect to be 21. Nice. Oops, wrong button. Second function 1. It also has the median, which if I had to find on my own, I would need to cross off each and find the middle, and that can take a long time, so I don't need to do that anymore. And when we get into quartile upper and quartile lower, it gives you that data as well. So 3 is the minimum quartile, which is 26. And I could have found that by finding the middle of the bottom quartile, and the upper quartile I could have found by finding the middle of the upper quartile, but I don't have to now. It gives it to me. Now if I go to statistics, if I go to 4, it gives me N is the number of scores. I would expect 14, yes. If I go 4 for variables, 2 is the mean, 28.4, and if I go second function, 3 is the standard deviation, and we'll get into that later on, but 3 is the standard deviation. So they're all things that are easily done on this calculator.